With the Galaxy S25 series just around the corner, Samsung has some exciting rumors brewing, and it's not just about the S25 phones. Word on the street is that Samsung is also working on two new devices, the Galaxy Z Flip FE and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. If you're familiar with Samsung's Fan Edition devices, you know the Z Flip FE will likely be a more affordable version of the Galaxy Z Flip 6. As for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, it's set to bring back the stripped-back version of Samsung's smartwatch line after the Classic label was ditched with the Galaxy Watch 7 in 2024. Looks like Samsung's ready to give fans what they've been asking for. The Z Flip FE could be Samsung's answer for those who love foldables, but find the flagship Z Flip models a bit too pricey. A potential Galaxy Z Flip XE was even spotted in the GSMA database, suggesting that Samsung could introduce a more budget-friendly foldable. This cheaper version might come with some lower-end specs, like a less powerful processor or simpler materials, but it would still keep that iconic clamshell design that has made the Z Flip line so popular. Earlier rumors pointed to the Z Flip 7 FE launching alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7. Powered by the Exynos 2400E chip, the same one found in the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. This would deliver decent performance without driving up costs too much. Meanwhile, the higher-end Z Flip 7 could rock the more powerful Exynos 2500 chip, which we haven't seen officially yet. Given that the Z Flip 6 starts at $1,100, we can expect the Z Flip FE to be priced around $800, which would make foldable tech a bit more accessible for everyone. As for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, while details are still scarce, we can probably expect it to feature a rotating bezel and some cool new health features to keep you on top of your game. As for the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7, we don't have much info yet. Some code snippets have pointed to their development, but nothing official has dropped about their specs or even their names. Looks like these foldables are still in the early stages, so we'll have to wait a bit longer for the full reveal. So, what do you think of the potential budget-friendly Z Flip? Would you be down for a more affordable foldable? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.